Morning KG3. For today's activity, we will going to have a review for Science Vision third quarter examination. This will be the part 1. Let's start with the daytime sky. We have 3 daytime sky. Number 1 is morning. During morning, sun is rising to the east or right direction. Again, sun is rising to the east or right direction during morning, as you can see here on the picture. Next, when the sun is facing to the north or up to the sky direction, that is noon daytime. Again, sun is facing to the north or up to the sky direction, that is noon time. Last daytime is afternoon. Afternoon. When the sun is setting or going to the west or left direction, that is afternoon time. Next, again, when the sun is setting to the west or left direction, that is afternoon time. Let's have an activity. Directions. Look at the pictures carefully. Listen to the teacher as she reads the question in each item. Identify the time of the day by the position of the sun. Fill in the circle of the correct answer. Number 1 question. What is the time of the day of the picture? What is the time of the day of this picture? Morning, afternoon. Morning, afternoon. Very good. The answer is afternoon. Next question, number 2. What is the time of the day? What is the time of the day of the picture? Noon morning. Noon morning. Very good. The answer is morning. Third and last question for the daytime sky. What is the time of the day of the picture? What is the time of the day of the picture? Afternoon or noon? Afternoon or noon? Very good. The answer is noon. Let's proceed to the natural resources. Natural resources can be found anywhere. Natural resources are not made by human. Okay? Let's start with the rocks. And rocks can be different in sizes like big or small, and rocks can be different in shapes, and rocks can be different in colors, and the last is rocks can be different in textures. What are the textures? The first one is rough and the last is smooth. These white rocks are the rough ones, and the smooth rock is this black stone or rock rather. Let's have an activity. Directions. Look at the pictures carefully. Listen to the teacher as she reads the question in each item. Circle the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following rocks different in size? Which of the following rocks different in size? Very good. Number 2. Which of the following rocks different in shape? Which of the following rocks different in shape? Very good. Which of the following rock is smooth? Which of the following rock is smooth? Very good. The last question for the rocks. Which of the following rocks different in color? Which of the following rocks different in color? Very good. Next, let's proceed to the water, which is one of the most important natural resources on our earth. And water has 3 bodies. Number 1 is lake, and lake here on this picture is surrounded by the land or big rocks, and lake is a fresh water. It is not flowing or not moving water. When we say fresh water, you can drink them or use for cleaning. Next is river. As you can see here on the picture, river is surrounded by the tall trees and big plants. And river is also a fresh water, and it is a flowing or moving water. Again, river is a fresh water. It is a flowing or moving water. Next, the last body of water is ocean. Ocean. Ocean is a salt water. You cannot drink them. You can see the water animals here. Okay? Next, let's have an activity. Look at the pictures carefully. Listen to the teacher as she reads the question in each item. Fill in the circle of the correct answer. Number 1 question. What body of water is shown below? What body of water is shown below? River, ocean. River, ocean. Very good. The answer is ocean. What body of water is shown below? What body of water is shown below? River, lake. River, lake. Very good. The answer is river. Number 3 question. What body of water is shown below? What body of water is shown below? Lake or ocean? Lake or ocean? Very good. The answer is lake. Next. And we will have a summary for the natural resources. These are water, rock, and soil. And also we're going to talk about on how we save or protect the natural resources. Let's start with soil. On this picture, as you can see, the kid used the soil to grow plants or to plant plants. And next, here on the second picture, water. The kid is saving the water by closing the faucet after he pours the water on his bottle while brushing his teeth. Next, rock is used to build things. Again, rocks is used to build things. Just like the picture, they use rocks to build bridge. You can also use rocks to build houses, malls, schools, and hospitals, and many other buildings. And how do we save or protect the natural resources? By recycle and reuse. When we say recycle, it means you will make something old to new things. Again, when we say recycle, those are old things that you can make into something new. How? Example, you have old bottles and you're going to make it a bag or flower vase or something. Next, reuse. When we say reuse, those are old things already. But you think that you can use it still. So when we say reuse, it means you use something again. When we say reuse, you use something again. Just like this bottled water or a jar, on an old jar. Your mother or even you can use it as a flower vase or anything you want to do to the old bottles or cans. It's up to you. Don't forget, if you want to save the natural resources, recycle or reuse them. Example for the reuse. Example, you have old jackets and you have a small sibling or small brothers or small sisters. You let them use your old jackets because it cannot fit it to you anymore. So when we say reuse, you use something again. Let's have an activity. Directions. Look at the pictures carefully. Listen to the teacher as she reads the sentence in each item. Circle the correct answer. Number 1, direction. Circle the picture shows soil being used for growing plants. Circle the picture shows soil being used for growing plants. Which one is correct? Very good. This second picture. Second, directions. Circle the picture shows water being used carefully. Circle the picture shows water being used carefully. Which one is correct? 1 or 2? Very good. The answer is first picture. Third direction, circle the picture shows being reused. Circle the picture shows being reused. First or second? Very good. The answer is first picture. Last question for the natural resources or direction. Circle the picture shows rock used to build things. Circle the picture shows rock used to build things. First or second? Very good. The answer is second picture. And that's the end of our part 1 review for the science fiction. See you to the next part. Bye.